Good morning everyone, this is Urvashi Kalra. Today we will discuss some properties of integer. As in my previous video I discussed the properties of integer. First one is closure property, commutative property and associative property. Now in this video we will discuss the property of 0, property of 1 and additive identity and multiplicative identity. Okay, so now come to property of 0. Firstly we will discuss the property of 0, then I will come on property of 1. So property of 0, as the name suggests, we will discuss the properties of 0 for integer. Okay, so for addition, but this property says that if a is any integer and if we add 0 in the integer we get the same number. Okay, means if we add 0 in integer we get the same number. In the same way for subtraction, if we subtract 0 from any integer we get the same integer. For multiplication, if we multiply any integer by 0 we get 0, and if we divide 0 by any integer we get 0, and if we divide any integer by 0 we get non-defined. So let us solve these properties by taking some example. Firstly, before that, come to additive identity. What is additive identity? As the name suggests, we have to add. Additive means add, identity means a number. So you have to think about a number. If you add anything in it, सपोजिटली if we are having a integer a, हमारे पास क्या है integer a, कि उसमें हम क्या add करें so that we get the same number. Okay, so additive identity, what we have to add, additive मतलब add करना है, तो हम क्या add करें in an integer so that we get the same number. So as you all know that if we add 0 in any number, any integer, we get the same number. In the same way I can write it as like this as well, a plus 0 and 0 plus a are same. So additive identity is 0. Our additive identity for integer is 0. Integers के लिए additive identity क्या है? 0. If we add 0 in any number we get the same number. You can learn it by taking an example as well. Supposedly if I take a as 5, so 5 plus 0 is 5, means if I add 0 in any number we get the same number. In the same way if I add 0 plus 5 we will again get the 5. So additive identity is 0. Okay, for integers additive identity is 0. Integers के लिए additive identity क्या होती है? 0. Okay, now come to the other properties of 0. Addition. For addition, a plus 0 must be equals to a. If I take a as 4, then a plus 0 means 4 plus 0. This must be equals to a. ये 4 के equal आ गया ना, so this is addition. Now for subtraction, I am taking a as 4 in all the cases. For subtraction, 4 minus 0 must be equals to 4. Yes, it is equals to 4. For multiplication, 4 multiply 0 must be equals to 0, है ना? कि अगर हम इंटीजर को किसी भी 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, what will we get? We will get 0 here. So a into 0 is 0. So 4 into 0 is also 0. Now look here everyone. If I divide any number by 0 divided by 4. So as I told you, when the sign of division get changed into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of next number. हमें next number का क्या लेना होता है? Reciprocal, है ना? Now 0 into 1 is 0 divided by 4. Now if 0 is in numerator, अगर numerator में 0 है, then our answer is 0. In this case, इस केस में देखिए क्या करेंगे हम? In this case 0 is in denominator, means 4 divided by 0. So 4 multiplied by 1 by 0. 4 multiplied by 1 by 0 means 4 by 0. If 0 in the denominator, then our answer is not defined. हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? Not defined. So if we are having 0 in numerator, then our answer is 0. And if we are having 0 in denominator, अगर हमारे पास denominator में 0 होता है, then our answer is not defined or not exist, means this value not exist. हम इस value को find ही नहीं कर सकते, ये value exist नहीं करती है. Okay, now we will discuss the property of 1 and multiplicative identity. Now guys, come to multiplicative property and property of 1. Okay, so in this case for addition, okay, if we are having any integer a For we are discussing the property of 1 now. For addition we have to add 1, for subtraction we have to subtract 1, for multiplication multiply it by 1, and for division divide it by 1. So for addition if I add 1 in any integer I will get the successor of a. हमें उसका क्या मिलेगा? successor. Successor means जब supposedly if I take a as 5, successor जो इससे एक ज्यादा होता है. Okay, if I add 1 in it I will get the successor of a. Means 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, and you all know that 6 is the successor of a. 6 क्या है? successor है a का. a means 5. 6 is the successor of 5. So if I subtract 1 from integer I will get the predecessor of a. Means supposedly if I get 5 minus 1 we will get 4. So as you all know that 4 is the predecessor of 5. 4 क्या है? predecessor है किसका? 5 का. For multiplicative we have to get the same number. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. We get the same number. And if I divide any integer by 1 we again get the same number. So these are the properties of 1. Now come to multiplicative identity. As we discuss additive identity, in the same way we are having multiplicative identity. Multiplicative means to multiply. हमें क्या करना है? multiply. So by which number we multiply any integer so that we get the same number. या हम किसी भी इंटीजर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें सेम नंबर मिले? So as you all know that if we multiply any integer by 1 we get the same number. कि अगर हम किसी इंटीजर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या नंबर मिलता है? सेम नंबर. So our multiplicative identity is 1. हमारी multiplicative identity क्या है? 1 for integer. Means if we multiply any number, any integer by 1 we get the same number. Supposedly if I am having 5 multiplied by 1 we get the same number. In the same way if I multiply 1 by 5 means if I change the order our result remains same. Now we will discuss the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse also. Now come to additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. So what do you mean by additive inverse and multiplicative inverse? Firstly come on additive inverse. It says that if we are having any integer a, अगर हमारे पास कोई integer क्या है? a, and we have to add. Additive means add करना है. क्या add करना है? It's inverse. Inverse means it's opposite. So that you will get 0. कि आपको क्या आंसर मिले? 0. So what will you add? आप इसमें क्या add करोगे so that you will get 0? If supposedly you are having a as 5, है ना? a में 5, a is 5. So if you add minus 5 in it, if you add, हमने क्या add कर दिया? minus 5. We will get 0 here ना? Because plus minus we will get 0. Positive, negative. They get cancelled. Same digit with opposite sign. They get cancelled. Means we have to add its inverse. Adding its inverse means we just have to take the number with opposite sign. हमें क्या number लेना है? number with opposite sign. Okay. Now a is positive. Its additive inverse is minus a. a positive है, इसका additive inverse क्या होगा? minus a. In this case our answer is always 0. Additive inverse के केस में हमारा आंसर हमेशा क्या आना चाहिए? 0. In the same way I can use the commutative property also. A plus minus a, I can write it as like this, है ना? These all are same. I can write it as like this as well. So what this says? This says that if we add its inverse, अगर हम क्या ऐड कर देते हैं उसका inverse, the result is always 0. Additive means we have to add something. Now come to multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative means we have to multiply something. हमें क्या करना है? multiply करना है उसका inverse. And in this case our answer must be 1. So if you are having a, तो उसमें आप क्या multiply करो so that your answer is 1. Okay, let us take an example. Supposedly if I am again having a as 5, तो 5 में हम क्या multiply करें so that our answer is 1. So if we multiply it by 1 by 5, then they get cancelled. What will we get? We get 1 as our answer. So multiplicative inverse क्या होता है? You have to just take its reciprocal. Okay, you have to take its reciprocal. In this we have to take the reciprocal of the integer. Okay, in additive inverse we have to take the number with opposite sign. In this we have to take the reciprocal. If we are having a, take its reciprocal 1 by a, so that we get 1 as a result. So according to commutative property, I can write it as like this also, 1 by a into a. है ना, commutative property states that a multiply b must be equals to b multiply a. So in this case I can write it as like this as well. So remember this, in additive identity your answer must be 0, in multiplicative identity your answer must be 1. Additive identity you have to add its opposite with different sign. In multiplicative identity you just have to take its reciprocal. आपको उसका क्या लेना है, reciprocal. So these are the properties of integer. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.